This is a 4K Ultra HD AI generated photo that I created by using Canva app. So if you want to create this kind of 4K imaginary photos, then follow the steps that I'm showing here in this video. So let's get started. First of all, open your Canva app, and after opening your Canva app, you will see this kind of interface. Now to create your AI photos, just click on Make Me an Image. And after that, you will be redirected to this photo generation page. And firstly, you have to give your prompt here to generate your photo. By default, 1:1 ratio is selected here. I've already generated a 1:1 ratio photo here. So I'm gonna change the ratio for my next photo. So to change the ratio, just click over here. Now you will see all the ratios. Now I'm gonna select 16:9 ratio for my next project. The ratio is changed to 16:9 ratio, and the photo will be generated in the same format. So now I'm gonna give my prompt here. Create a realistic photo of a dinosaur chasing a girl in jungle. So let's see what happens. So yeah, if you want to download this picture, just click on this download button at the bottom left, like this, and now this photo is getting downloaded, and after downloading, it will be saved on your phone gallery. Now the most important thing is, you can create a total 18 photos by using a Gmail account. And if you want to create more than 18 photos by one Gmail account, you have to upgrade it by paying a subscription fees. So this is how you can create 4K Ultra HD AI generated photo by using Canva. See you soon in the next video with another helpful tips and tricks. Till then, thank you, bye bye.